agatamu Waragi ngagamba kano kayamba mu kupulinga abakyala bakakozesa mu kupulinga ebitundu byabwe byebwama into here. So where is the reef you're talking about? Where is its composition? Where are they? So this one is already mixed in. This is already mixed in.
I cannot tell this public. How I can tell that word is in a public?
What do you use this for?
They use it for two things. They use it for up, down.
Which down? Which down?
For the
down.
Doctor.
Pulling what? The genitals for women. They use it for pulling.
Yes.
After you've added in now. Do you know all these have syringes, by the way? All these have syringes. Do you know who on whom they use this syringe on? Do you know what they were suffering from? And you're putting what you're calling oil for women to use in their genitals. So you're doing, what if this person had the HIV?
HIV/AIDS.
You think the water you said used to clean this would take away whatever contamination is in here? When you infect someone with an HIV, you think your soul would heal them? Would take care of their? You are just speaking with your wife. You think your soul would take care of their families? You're saying you're using this direct into a woman's genital for what you're calling pulling with already a contaminated container. Do you know you're a terrorist?
Which is mixed with petrol.
Yeah.
Something
Exactly.
And most of the like as you know, these people like a herbal, I get it. I explain. I go in the field. I explain. Like
so where have you distributed? Because we want to know.
Anyway, if I go somewhere, I can.
No, where? I'm asking where. It's going to be anywhere. Where have you?
Cash.
Who has you? Who is Mr. Cash?
Who is Mr. Cash?
Where did you last?
I usually to walk in the village. Or
So
on
you are
the
a
street.
hawker.
Yes.
He's a hawker. Another one.
You have other guys who take for your drug because
No.
for you you're sleeping partially in a guest house. You're a manufacturer.
No, I'm not a
You have your Waragi. When do you work? For you you're mixing. There's someone who distributes.
Ninze nkolagana n'oli omusaadde yabayire eyo olwaido olwaduuzi ku ibiri. Twireri. Tubale twenda kuyirayo twireri. Endoozi bwenaawaawo. Biri kukola. Oba omu bucupa mwafunyeku? Oba omu bucupa? Yabatwaire kaimeka. Mwewandiise mwena. Chairman yabaireyo? Yakonako ne stampu ye?
This one to remove this sticker. I use this one to remove the sticker.
What is that?
This is a petrol. I remove this sticker.
So what is this now? To you, what is zino ziri medical waste akolagana n'abantu nga collectinga medical waste ngerimu empiso zibamaze okukozesa ku bantu abalina obulwadde bwe tutamanyi bwanjawulo n'akwata amacupa ago n'ateekamu n'amixingamu kyayise ekigaji n'agatamu petrol n'agatamu Waragi ng'agamba kano kayamba mu kupulinga abakyala bakakozesa mu kupulinga ebitundu byabwe byebwama naye jukira virus zino zonna nga bwe muziraba zirimu empiso nga nkozesa endala zirimu n'eddagala ng'eno olwedde walimu eddagala eryasigalawo nga lyagwako kubanga lino lyagwako mu March 2022 olaba buno nga bwe buli contaminated naye agatamu concoction ye direct naye abakyala ne bagikozesa mu bitundu byabwe byebama nti bagenda mukulinga so olaba nti abantu baffe bafuna obulwadde obubbe batamanye
ali mixinga n'ebintu ebitasaanidde kuba bimixingibwa ateekamu omwenge nateekamu amafuta g'emmotoka nagattamu n'eddagala lya habo nawala nakozesa n'eddagala eriri expired abigatta wamu n'abiwa abantu nga tebakimanyi n'eddagala mamwe olikola alitwala mu butale awali abantu abangi n'alitundirayo n'akoma mu kawungeezi so tiimu ya National Drug Authority bwe yatuuse ng'amaze okufuna information yonna ne batutuukirira nga poliisi netuba supportinga netugenda mu field netumukwata omusajja era wenjogerera ali mabega y'emitayimbwa